We are at the World of Volvo, the brand new Volvo museum in Gothenburg, and we are about to experience a brand new vehicle. We even don't know what it is. So we are welcoming you now to this reveal of a brand new Volvo multi-purpose electric vehicle. The 14th of April, World of Volvo will open here in the central Gothenburg, straight next to Liseberg, the amusement park in the city. And we are here now among about 200 journalists and press members, and we are about to experience something we have never ever seen before. They have been very secret in the emails. We don't know what we're going to see, but right now in this building we are going to get revealed a brand new vehicle. And before we show you the vehicle, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Instagram profile. We have a lot of professional photos out there, and I hope you will like to see those photos. But now, let's go and check out what Volvo is revealing us today. So now we are in this hall where all of us are gathered. We have tables where we're going to eat dinner, and we also have the big stage where the reveal is going to happen. I'm really curious about what we're going to see right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new Volvo BZR Electric, the world's most versatile electric bus platform.
What a show. I don't know about you, but I'm amazed and I think I want to know more. You probably do too, right? So Anna, can you come up and bring Dawn Pettersson, SVP, Business Unit Chassis. Come on up. So we're all dying to know, what are we looking at here?
What are we looking at? This is the Volvo BZR Electric, the next step on our electromobility journey. But it's not just a new product, it's a global multi-purpose platform for several new products. And starting today, continuing tomorrow, this will give us the opportunity to move to new segments, new applications. So we are truly excited to share this moment with you. And today, our electric city buses are operating successfully in more than 20 countries around the world. And with the launch, we are now moving into, as I said, other types of traffic operation, commuting, transit, and intercity traffic.
So this is certainly a milestone. Is it all new?
Yes and no. We are using proven Volvo technology and our experience from more than a decade of groundbreaking work within electromobility. But since we're addressing different types of operation, we are also adding many new capabilities.
So Dawn, I think we'll pass it over to you then, a few questions. How would you describe this platform? What does it mean that it's global and multi-purpose?
With this platform, we are now entering segments that are much wider and deeper than we've been present in before, and they are truly global in their nature. You can build so many different buses out of this platform. So that's why that we already from the beginning are offering it in a number of variants, such as low entry, high floor, 2-axle, 3-axle, a number of different battery configurations. But Stephanie, I will let you know the secret, this is just the beginning. Because this platform is built to take even more variants, heavy-duty variants like BRTs, Arctics, bi-Arctics, but also coaches. So stay tuned.
We are so happy to share this moment, this important reveal here with all of you. And together we present it. Tomorrow we will put it all into context in our dialogue and discussions, and together we will bring this new offer to life to the benefits of societies and citizens all over Europe and the rest of the world.
Thank you so much, Anna and Don.
Behind me we have the brand new chassis. This is the BZR. So this was what we saw here today at the World of Volvo. And I promise you we will come back with a test review of this vehicle when it has a body and when it is a fully driven vehicle. Until then, drive safely, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Goodbye.